Hey guys, it's Andrea and today I'm coming at you with the new releases for this week. I am so excited. Today is the 30th. I'm probably going to put this up today just so you guys can get a little bit of extra time to look at these and decide which ones you wanted to pick up. These will go to the shop Friday at noon Eastern along with the February mystery kit, which will be premiering in a video on the 1st along with shipping on the 1st. So I'm really excited about that. So let's go ahead and get into Bloom first, since you guys already saw a plan with me featuring that. I also did post here it is actually. I did post pictures of it on my SPC Plans Instagram. I actually ended up having to make a new Instagram because none of the new updates were going to that Instagram. Like, all my other accounts had them and I was getting really irritated. So I just made a new account and hope that there's never a problem in the future, but what can you do? So let's go ahead and get into this. So this is gonna be a mini kit exclusive. I do have actually 3 photo kits already prepped for future releases because I just have been obsessed with them. I didn't really get them at first, but once I used it, I kind of like was in love. And I just think it turned out really pretty. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys this one. So this is a mini kit exclusive. This won't be coming to the shop in a full kit. So you get your regular freebie here. I love the pinks and the gray. You have your full boxes here, which are really pretty. The quote says bloom where you're planted with like champagne, like faux glitter accents. Then this page here has your headers, little things, your half boxes, quarter boxes, and your mini appointment labels. And then here you have your mini icons, your heart checklist, the weekly checklist, weekend banner, flags, appointment labels, and heart checklist. Super cute. And then here is the kind of setup that I have for the last page of the mini kit, just because photo kits are a little bit hard to do deco for. I thought this was really cute. So you have your date covers instead with your bottom washi that has that faux double look. So you don't have to like line up 2, but it gives you a look like you have 2 strips of bottom washi, a little tiny bit of washi that I was able to fit in here, and then your habit tracker. So that is Bloom, and it is a mini kit exclusive, like I said, a photo kit. I'm really pumped about it. I can't wait to see the response to that. And like I said, I already have 3 already ready to go for future releases. And then you can also pick up, if you'd like, the a la carte glitter headers, which I think just really makes it and pulls in a lot of the accents. I think it's super cute. It also gives you a little bit extra flags and half boxes, quarter boxes and stuff like that. And I think that this does pair really well with gold, but would look really beautiful with champagne foil if you wanted to bring some of that in from other shops. So that's the Bloom kit. I've already used it and I'm obsessed. And then I do have Wild and Free, which I am also like equally obsessed with. I love these colors. I think they're so fun. I don't think I've done a kit with these colors exactly. I feel like sometimes I'm like, oh yeah, we've done kits that look like this with these colors before, but this one, nope. So I'm really excited about this. Somebody said that it looks like almost that there was like a black light taken to it, which I definitely agree. I feel like the colors come out, let me look. I think they're a little bit more vibrant in person, but I think it's a pretty good representation. I know that my camera on Instagram was not picking them up as beautifully as they are. They were looking a little more muted, but I think that's just the camera on Instagram. So you have your freebie here, which is so cute. Every time I format this, like change the colors, I'm like obsessed. Then you have a ton of little baby deco, which I love. I way prefer like the smaller deco recently, especially for like sprinkling in your spread. And this one probably has the most deco that I've done in a really long time. I wanted to do a ton of it. I think it's gonna be so cute to put in little nooks and crannies. And then you have your little girls down here. So you have like a little purple face mask, a little like lifting weights, and then a little pizza one, which is super cute. Then you have your functional page with this weekend banner. I love these glitters. Let me show you guys in the glitter headers. I'm just obsessed with this like glitter. You guys can probably tell that I've been using it a lot recently. And then you have the glitter boxes here and your other functional items, your pattern washi, which is gorgeous. I'm like obsessed. It reminds me of Texas without being like the typical like succulent kit colors. Then you have your little things and labels, your ombre hair checklist. I was going to do like a pattern in here, but I thought because these full boxes were so wild and like fun and like bold that I just needed to keep those like really simple. So you have a double box with the cacti and the teepee. You have a girl over here, a cactus, and then the little lantern, and the quote says wild and free. I just love everything about this. I think it's so fun and such a unique color scheme. You have in the ultimate kit the extra girl over here, the faux double washi again. I really just think this is so cute. I think it's really nice for like a little bit louder kits. I won't be doing this in every kit, but I just think like with this, I think this will look really, really cute. It kind of just like breaks it up a little bit with the pink. It has a light pattern in the background with the succulents on top. And then you have your date covers, which I just kept simple with the pink with the green glitter. Again, you have your extra girl on the side. I was gonna do fashion girls for this, but I wasn't like super into the girls, so I just kept it simple and put them in the boxes. I do that quite often. Then I do have the mini kit, which I do mention every week that the mini kits usually sell out the fastest. I did stock a ton of the blue mini kit, so I wouldn't be too worried about that one just because I didn't have to like produce any ultimates. So you have the same freebie, the same full boxes, the same functional page, and then the pages that differ are this one here, which has half boxes, quarter boxes, little things and such. And then you still get a ton of deco in the mini kit, your bottom washi, your habit trackers, and your washi. So super cute, and that is the mini kit for Wild and Free. So pumped about this collection, cannot wait to use it. And then also there is the option if you want to add on the glitter headers, which are so pretty. And then also the personal washi if you want to add that on as well. Also, don't forget that the mystery kit will be coming into the shop this week. It's such a cool theme that I've never done before with the color scheme, again, that I have not done before either, and I'm really, really excited about it. And that will be, that'll have like its release video on the 1st. So definitely stay tuned for that, and it'll be shipping on the 1st. But that's everything for this week. I hope you guys like this week's new releases. I will have $3 Thursday items available tomorrow on MoreSPC. Those are available from noon Eastern until noon Eastern on Friday. That's just like an easy time frame for me, living that newborn life, you know. And then the releases for this week are these ones. You can find them on my Instagram. So you have that same pink color as last week. You have flight trackers, flags, appointment labels, half boxes and quarter boxes, and then some like girly deco there. So super fun. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one.